So you're welcome. Let's look at quadratic equation, that is method of factorization. So what do we talk about? Factorization, factors. So you know factors of numbers. So let's say you have 12, then you have the factors of 12. Here we want to talk about the pair factors of 12. So when you talk about pair factors, uh, two numbers like this, so that's factor pairs like this, 2 and 6, and then 3 and 4 and 4. So this factor pairs of 6, you can have that of any number you want. So the factor pairs of 8, so you can have it as 1 and 8, and what, 2 and 4, and so on. One for 1, 1. So there will simply be 1, 1. So you can have as many as possible. So that's factors pair. So when you talk about factorization, you are talking about numbers like this. So let's say you want to, like this one now, talking about quadratic equation, or what we call it. So you have something like this. Like what you are seeing here, quadratic equation has to do with two numbers. That if you add them together, you will have the sum. We have sum and products. So you will multiply them together, you will have the products. So the standard equation for quadratic equation is what? AS squared plus BS plus C, which is equal to 0. So you have something like this. Here, here, and here. So here is sum and product. Now, so what do we want now from here? So you can use this one to form these equations. So let's use this one to form some of equation now before we start solving. So you have this as what? X squared. So we assume A to be 1. Then here you have 13x. That is 1 plus 12. That's 13. Plus what? So you have 12 equal to 0. Then you can have x squared again. Then like this one now, you can have minus 13. It will still be 12 equal to 0. Another one, you can have x squared minus 11x. So here minus 12 equal to 0. So what to do here is 12, what do you call it? Minus 12 plus 1. So you will see have the same thing. So you can have here also like x squared plus 8x plus 12 equal to 0. You can have x squared minus 4x minus 12. So you can have like that. And then here x squared minus x minus 12 equal to 0. Or x squared minus 7x minus 12. Here is plus 12 equal to 0. So simply use this one to form those equations. If you can equally use it to form like here, if the coefficients of x squared is there. So the coefficients of x squared, you can simply split it into 2. Like this. All this one, they are intact. So you can simply split this one into 2. Like what do you want? All this one we wrote here, they are all 12. So here is 12. So if I want 2 to be here, I'll simply put 2x squared plus 13x plus 6, so equal to 0. So you have something like that. If I want 3 to be here, so I will have 3x squared plus what? Let's see, minus 13x plus 4 equal to 0. Well, what if I have one odd 12 to be here? Yes. Considering this one, you can have 12x squared minus x minus 1 equal to 0. So if you want to use it to form quadratic equation, so you can form it like that. So as many, this one you see, you can use to form as many as possible questions. So, and then if you want to solve it, it still is the same thing. Since we're talking about factors. So factors are A. So A. So here you have 12, 1, so what you have now, so if you want to pick any of them, you want to factorize it. So let's look at this. X squared minus 13x plus 12 equal to 0. So if you want to factorize, you need two numbers. So if you add them together, you get this. If you multiply them together, you get this. So what are you going to do? These are the two numbers. So you have to place minus here. Minus, minus. So minus 1 plus minus 12 is going to give you minus 13. Minus 1 times minus 12 is going to give you 12. So that is it. So you will have x squared minus x, that's minus 1, then minus 12x plus 12 equal to 0. So what you do again, x squared minus x, so you bracket 12x. So you look at this one. So when you are placing bracket here, the sign here will change. So you have minus times plus, so you have minus 12 equal to 0. So here is what? You have x minus 1. So you have 12 x minus 1. So what to do here? You factor out to what? 12. So you factor out what is common again? X minus 1, x minus 1. So you factor it out. So remain what? X minus 12 equal to 0. So you will have x minus 1 equal to 0 or x minus 12 equal to 0. Therefore, answer is x minus 1 or 12. So that is it. So if you want to factorize, it's as simple as that. Once you can get down their what? Their factor base. So let's look at another one among them. So if you want to factorize now, let's look at this one. So you have x squared minus x minus 12 equal to 0. So if you want to factorize this, so what are you going to do? Just look at it again. Two numbers. So if you add them together, you are going to get minus 1. So here is where you see difference of 1. Here. So you go to where you see difference of 1. So here, the higher number we have negative. But this one is negative. If this one is positive, the lower number will get positive. So you have that one in mind. So what you have here is, so you use it like that. So you will have x squared minus 4x plus 3x minus 12 equal to 0. So here is minus 4 and 3. Then you bracket them again into bracket 3x minus 12 into bracket, so equal to 0. So what is common here? X minus 4, 3x minus what? 4. So what you do here, you factor out what? 3. So you have this, so equal to 0. So 4 and 4 is common. You have 4x plus 3 equal to 0. So we have x minus 4 equal to 0 or x minus 3 equal to 0. So x equal to 4 or x equal to minus 3. So that's how to solve that. Lastly, so let's look at another one. Lastly, let's look at this last one. So what you have here is x squared. 12x squared minus x minus 1 equal to 0. So if you want to do this, so what are you going to do? You simply multiply this one together. So you have 12x. So what are you going to use? 1, 12, 2, 6, and what? 3, 4. Since this one is we are looking at the highest number, carry what? So negative. So you will have 12x squared minus 4x plus 3x minus 1 equal to 0. So that is it. Once you have it like that, just look at, then you place, then here you have x squared minus 4x, 3x minus 4. So what is common here is 4. So you have 4x. So you will have 3x minus 1. So what is common here is 4x. So you bring it out. For this one, you will have 1. That's 3x minus 1 equal to 0. So what is common now is 3x minus 1. So you will have 4x plus 1. So what you have here is this equal to 0 or 4x plus 1 equal to 0. So you will have 3x equal to 1 or 4x equal to minus 1. So your x equal to 1 over 3 or x equal to minus 1 over 4. So that's how to factorize. So it's still the same factor that used to build the equations, same factor used to resolve it. So that's how it is. So don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube, and then you can like, share. If you have any questions bothering your mind, you can put it in the comment section. Thanks for watching.